it's Chrissy from First Day of Home. I love testing out new craft machines, and I just received this Liene PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. So I'm super excited to do a few test projects with it. I have a few ideas in mind now that the kids are home from school, and I'm really curious to see how this product performs, especially compared to other sticker makers that I've used in the past. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. I will link all of the products down in the description box as well as the first comment, so be sure to check those out. The Liene PixCut S1 promises to transform a beginner into a craft master in just 30 seconds, and it really didn't take long to get this set up. There's a cassette in back where you'll load either the photo paper or sticker paper, and then a blade in front that's going to cut your stickers for you. I loaded the ink cartridge in the side and then decided to put some photo paper in my cassette here because I'm going to print off some cute photos for my boys. They just finished their last year of elementary school, so I'm feeling really sentimental and I want to create some scrapbooks for them. So as soon as I got that cassette loaded in back, I decided to open the app and start looking around. Right off the bat, I was pretty impressed with how many different options they had in the app to do customized labels, decorative stickers, and of course photos. So I decided for this first project, as cute as these stickers were, and I'm going to come back to them later, I'm going to start with some photos from our past year and print those out. So you want to make sure you choose the right paper in the app. And then I selected some photos to test out that had a lot of different vibrant colors so that you can see the quality of the photos. As you'll see, the app shows you the progress because the PixCut S1 will print different colors in each turn, and it will automatically go through and layer on each color. I love that the photos come out as 4x6 photos, so they look every bit as good, if not better, than what I've gotten at drugstores nearby. So I love this option for printing off quick photos for photo albums. I think the color quality was amazing. Now that I'm done printing my photos, I'm going to switch out the cartridge for some sticker paper instead of the photo paper, and then we can move forward with printing our little sticker sheet. The app had a ton of different images that I could add to my canvas here, so I chose some different emojis and numbers and sports that my kids are into, like soccer, and one of my boys loves to read. So I added some different images that related to both of them, and then it only took a few minutes for the machine to print the images. And what's amazing is this is an all-in-one printer and cutter, which is something I've never seen before. As soon as the machine finishes printing, it feeds the paper to the front of the machine where the blade will cut out the stickers. It only takes about 2 minutes, and I've never seen a machine that can do this so quickly and without any kind of calibration or long setup time. Another really cool feature in the app is this AI background removal tool. You just upload your photos, click a button, and it removes the background. And I think these are going to be perfect for scrapbooking. I can't wait to add more images. I was just testing things out here, but I'm actually really excited about trying some more images, especially with that background removal. So here you can see how cute this looks in a scrapbook, and you can add some other details with pens and really make this come to life. With some of the leftover stickers, I decided to create a soccer-themed mug for one of my sons who plays soccer. And the neat thing is that these stickers are waterproof. I tested it out because I just had to see if it actually worked, and they really do stay on, so I'm very impressed. My next summer project that I wanted to tackle was this rolling cart of craft supplies that my boys use. As you can see on the top, there's a lot of stuff that doesn't make it into drawers because the drawers aren't labeled, and I feel like they need a little help organizing all of their things. So I whipped up a few labels in the app. I loved that I could customize the fonts and formatting, add different backgrounds. It was very easy to create these labels in just a few minutes. Now that I have everything labeled, I'm hoping that the boys will be a little more organized this summer. At least I'll know where things are supposed to go. And I love that these labels peel off really easily without leaving a sticky residue. So if things change and we need to put different things in the drawers as they get older, we can always print off more labels. For now, wish me luck for a clutter-free summer.
You know that moment when you are about to take your kid to a birthday party and you realize you don't have a card or gift tag or any label for the gift? Well, I decided to create a stash of gift tags so that we are never scrambling. I could even add text to these, and if I had wanted to add our last name or my kids' names, I could have done that too. But for now, I just printed off some blank tags so that whoever needs the gift can sign their name to it. One thing that's really handy about the PixCut S1 is that you can print multiple sticker sheets in one pass, so you don't have to process each job separately. So I was able to print a couple of these sheets so that I'm not going to run out for a while. The designs I chose are kind of everyday designs, but these would be perfect for Christmas gifts as well. So I'm going to design some more that have a holiday theme, and that way we're all set for Christmas as well. These tags add such a cute pop of color to these gift bags, and guess what? There's a bonus because you can peel these tags off of paper too, and we all know we like to recycle gift bags. Since I have a small business where I sell SVG designs and other graphic designs for crafting, I wanted to see how this machine held up when I loaded some of my personal shop designs to it, and I think they turned out great. So I could even sell sticker sheets from my shop if I decided to do that. And what's even better is you can upload your logo and then print several sticker sheets to have handy. This is perfect for sealing an envelope or adding it to a gift box to really look more professional. It adds that little extra personal touch that separates an established small business from an amateur. And I love the way these stickers for my logo turned out. Even if you're not a small business, stickers like this are perfect for weddings or as party favors or even for school organizations. Another cool template in the app is this phone-backed film. You can choose a solid color or choose from one of the patterns they have available. You could even use a family photo. I chose this little pattern of, I think they're poppy flowers, and decided to put that on the back of my phone. And I was really impressed that it actually fit perfectly. I guess I was a little bit skeptical that it might be a little too big or too small, but it was perfect for my iPhone, and I have an older iPhone too. And this reminds me of the poppies that I had in my backyard, so I really love that I could customize my phone case. Overall, the Liene PixCut S1 is going to help me create some keepsakes for my boys this summer, stay organized, and hopefully get a head start on some of the parties that I know are coming up this year. As a small business owner, I think it also could open up some new revenue streams for me if I decide to sell some custom stickers, and it's a lot cheaper to print my own versus having someone else print them for me. I'm looking forward to making more personalized photos and stickers with this machine, and I hope you'll join me and subscribe so you can follow along. See you next time.